Yessie, Elaine Venturanza, Joey Valdemoro, and Rochelle Ramos. Please proceed to court number 3.
Nice, Chris. Kaya pa ni Chris.
Galing. Oh.
Nice, Chris. Ikaw.
Yun! Outside! Ay, paano na pala tumiga?
Okay, players for court number 4. All from Pinoy Shutters, Tupert Guillermo, Joanna Tinte, Arnold Tihasa, and Ethel Guillermo. The line judges for court number 4, Aline Asupri, Sheila Paz, Reynaldo Lee, Eileen Angeles. Please proceed to court number 4. Your assistance is needed as line judges.
Paborin nila.
Oo, nagkakasay din. Yun! Chairman! Yun, Chairman! Ganyan lang, bumalik.
Alam mo, hindi sila kinakabahan eh.
Eh kasi last game na.
Again, umpires, if you need line judges, just raise your hand that we will look.
Kung may ganyan ba naman ang initip nila kanina pa?
Judges for court number 4. Calling the attention of Aline Asupri, Sheila Paz, Reynaldo Lee, Eileen Angeles. Please proceed to court number 4. Another reminder to all line judges, if you are not sure of your responsibility as line judges, kindly ask around or let us know. Just make sure that once you go into the court, you know what you're doing. We will try our best to minimize errors in every game.
Ano score?
Thank you very much. Again, the line
Ano
judges
score?
for court number 4. Please proceed.
Gaya.
Ngayon na tayo din lang sa bumabagsak kami ng kakalka. Palo lang ng palo. Yun! Diretso, nice one.
Huwag naman pasahin. Oo.
Ganun ba yun?
Makaumasa, kawawa naman.
May pag-asa pa yan! May pag-asa pa kayo! Chris, pakitambak!
Players for court number 2, Paul Membreve, Jaime Reyes,
Hi ka din.
Elton Gonzaga, and N.K. Guerra. The line judges for court number 2,
Intermission.
Florini Mejia, Jason Nise, and Irene Pagpulan.
Ang galing yung mga
Again, nobody
paano din yung admission?
Okay, here we go, let's do it.
Kailangan pa na kumain sa adobo eh. Sakain po tito. Yes,
Ah!
Don't worry about me. Don't you worry about me.
Nice, Chris!
Nobody but you.
Oh! Malamang di mga nakapag-breakfast yung mga yan. Sa kaba.
Dobo lang pala.
Ah!
Ay, sak yun.
O parang kagaya sa Asian ba? Yung picture mo, yung dapat yun.
Score.
11-5.
Talo!
Baka lang rin, baka lang.
Ay, one. Tapakan niyo para may charge kayo. Ay, naman.
Yun!
Isa pa.
Talo! Ah!
Nakukuha sa sigaw eh.
Yun!
Di ba kasi nawawalan na sila ng ano?
Again, we are looking for the line touches for court number 2.
Yun!
Magaling si Chairman! Chairman, bakit ayun lang?
Please proceed to court
Adobo!
number 2.
Wala na,
Thank you
huli
very
na eh.
much.
May picture sana. Pwede ba ito?
Yun!
Adobo lang naman!
Ayun!
Oh! Ayun!
Ang sarap ng adobo! Adobo, Chairman! Ayaw mo! Idol! Ayun! Oo. Isa na lang, Chairman. Tama ko. Ang galing ni Chairman, oh! Yun! Ayun! Ayan siya! Chairman naman eh. Panalo na kami eh. Masakit na yung lalamunan ko eh. Si Chairman is smart, no?
Ang galing!
Oo, wala pala eh. Ay, tangi.
Final game for court 7.
Yun na pa pala kasi.
Players, please proceed to your court.
Kaya tama yan, ibaon niyo sila para may mga chance tayo.
Nino Manala.
Hi, Chris!
Ang sakit na kaya na laro yun. Ay, hello daw, hello.
Hello kayo.
Say hello, Chairman.
Touches for court 7.
Mon, hindi ko ibabalik yung camera mo pag pinahabol nyo pa yan.
Court 7.
Pero ano, Berlin 40. May panalo kung ano sila, kung may panalo sila, kung halimbawa 1-2 rin sila. Tapos nag-ranking, may chance makapasok. Kapag maraming one.
Natambakan ba sila kanina? Hindi ko sure. Lapit-lapit ba yung mga scores nila?
14-21.
Huwag na pabutin ka yung taran.
Hindi pwede maghintay niyan.
Ayun!